Hello friend, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. You may have often see the error inside the flow. No matter what prompt you have sent, it keeps showing something is wrong. In this video, I will show you how you can fix this error. I will cover everything in detail. So let's get started. Fixing this error is very simple. The reason it usually happens is that when you generate a lot of content very quickly, the system can start showing this error more frequently. The solution is straightforward. First, you have to open Chrome and open a new tab. Then you have to go to in settings of Chrome. I'm clicking settings on Chrome now. Then in the search box, you have to type delete. When you type delete, you will find many options. You have to click on first option, delete browsing data. Then you have to click on more and then you have to select all time. Then you have to click on delete data. One important thing to remember is that you should ideally use a separate Chrome profile for this purpose. So none of your important browsing data gets deleted accidentally. Since this process clears all the stored data associated with this profile, using a separate profile is recommended. After deleting the data, return to the Google Flow page and make the page refresh. After the refresh, all the failed generations and error-related items will disappear and only the successful generated results will remain visible. Now I'm going to type a prompt in the prompt box and then click on generate button. And the error will not appear. This method usually resolves the issue. Keep in mind that the error may return later, especially if you continue generating content rapidly. If that happens, simply repeat the same process and the issue should be fixed again. So that's it, my friend. For more informative videos, be sure to subscribe and like to the channel Techie Dialogue. Thank you for watching. Take care and goodbye.